In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished social post using Creative Assistant, so you can design confidently and publish with ease. Start by heading to Create. This is your launching point for new content. From there, click Social Post. Choosing Social Post opens the editor with dimensions tailored for common platforms, so you're starting with the right canvas size and don't need to worry about awkward cropping later. Inside the editor, look to the left side menu and click Creative Assistant. This built-in helper is designed to pull in your brand's look and feel and suggest strong, ready-to-use options. It's perfect when you want something professional without spending hours designing from scratch. Next, click Create Designs. This tells the assistant to gather ideas and compose layouts. You'll then choose what to generate. You can ask for a complete post design, focus specifically on layout, refresh your colors, or refine your brand style. If you're short on time, post design is the fastest way to get a cohesive option. If you already like your visuals and just need structure, layout is a great pick. Colors helps harmonize your palette, while brand style keeps fonts, spacing, and iconography consistent. If prompted, select your brand kit or enter your website. This step gives the assistant context, pulling in logos, fonts, and colors it can identify. If you don't have a brand kit yet, using your website URL is a quick shortcut to get something on brand without manual setup. Now click Generate. Give it a moment to process. It will compile a set of variations based on your choices, so you can compare different directions side by side. Browse the results and pick a design you like. Look for clarity, contrast, and hierarchy. Can someone understand the message at a glance? Check that the color balance supports readability and that any imagery complements the text instead of competing with it. When you're happy, click Apply or Insert. Your selected design will drop into the editor, ready for any small tweaks you want to make. You can adjust copy for tone or length, swap an image if needed, or nudge elements for alignment while keeping the overall style intact. Finally, click Publish or Schedule. Choose to post immediately if timing is critical, or schedule it for a future date to align with your content calendar. Confirm your destination and timing, and you're done. That's the full walkthrough from Create to Publish, powered by Creative Assistant. Follow these steps each time you need a fast on-brand social post.